Hello guys, so welcome to the Woko tutorial. This is Dr. Sam K, and I want to show you what you need to do to make use of the coin market cap, the app. All right, this particular app, okay, how you can use it to locate triangle arbitrage triangle opportunity, right? Okay, triangle arbitrage opportunity as it is. All right, so without wasting time, I want us to actually dive in there, right? But before, please, if this is actually your first time of coming in here, I will need to please quickly subscribe to this channel, right? Because I'm going to be dropping information like this for you to make good money online. All right, please have it in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. All I'm doing is to show you opportunities, okay, like this, so they can make money and smite your banks, okay, like as I do. All right, that's what I do. So quickly like and subscribe and share this video, right? Please, as fast as you can. All right, God bless you as you do that for us. All right, now how do you use the coin market cap, okay, app to actually get opportunity like this for you to make money online? Now what you do is when you open it up, okay, what you first do see is this line. You're going to have coins, watch list, the overview, the exchanges, the chains, and the categories. All right, now our focus here is to focus on the coins. All right, so you're going to go through the coins and then take a look at what is happening to the coins. All right, for instance, if you look at the dot coin right now, okay, just tap it like this. I just want this as an example so you can understand how it looks like. Now when you click on the dot stuff, okay, you're going to see that, okay, dollar is being sold at 6.850, all right, per USDT. All right, so that's what it is. Now you come over to the market, go to the market side. All right, now when you click on the market, the first app that you're going to take a look at, the exchange app that you're going to see is what? Binance. Binance is the first you're going to see. Now it's being sold at 6.846 and Binance, right? So you got to look for what other apps that the way other exchange market system or platform where they sell it at a lower rate, so they can go and see and pick up that stuff, all right, and then exchange and go and sell it at higher rate and make your profit. That's what we're doing here. So let's go through down. Now please have it in mind that here it is being sold at what? 6.846. Now why is Binance at first? Because Binance is actually more legit and it has the largest market exchange market system, right? Stuff, right? So for that, okay, you always come first. Okay, so if Binance is 6.846, let's look for something lower than that. All right, so give me time, let me quickly look for something more lower than that. What you do is go down here, just go down and carefully go down to see if you can see something that is much lesser than the one you have seen there, right? Looking at .USDT, okay, now please make sure that the pair is .USDT you are looking for, right? Don't go use .BTC or Ethereum no, we're looking at .BTC. Now you can see that this particular exchange market has a lower range of 4.487, so this is actually lower. All right, so what you do is click on .USDT, tap it like this, okay, make sure you tap on top of the value, right? Now you got 4.8487 and in Binance it's being sold at 6.4 thereabout, okay, so it means that this is actually better. All right, so for you to do that, you click on what? Exchange, view exchange, and then you're trying to understand how ABC operates, okay. All right, so what you usually do now is you have to find out two things. All right, you need to find out if this money in this particular app, okay, you can actually deposit. All right, first of all, you need to find out if it can be deposited and if it can be withdrawn. That's first thing you're going to watch out for, right? So what you do is to go down to the bottom part of it so they can see what they have here. You can see login, sign up, so automatically you can actually sign up to verify, to find out what exactly the platform is all about and find out if the coin can be deposited in this platform and also can be withdrawn, not just deposit but also can be withdrawn. If that is okay, then you are good to go. Do you understand that? Okay, so this is how you actually use this to find out the coin market app, to find out a triangle arbitrage opportunity where you can actually go there and make money for yourself. I hope you understand what we have done so far, right? I need to follow me. If you want to join our masterclass, let me know. Okay, I'm going to drop the WhatsApp details for you. Get in touch with us so we can add it to the platform where you can actually learn and make good money for yourself on daily basis, because our students actually are testifying and they're giving us they're actually saying a lot of good things, okay, about us. So you can join us and start making money with us. All right, this is Dr. Sam K. I'm going to see you in the next arbitrage opportunity like this. I'm going to share more with you. God bless you. Have a wonderful time over there. Bye.